You're scrolling your phone, seeing people talking about investing, growing their money, and living free, while you're wondering if it's too late or too complicated to start. Here's the truth. It's not. The smartest investors aren't Wall Street wizards. They're regular people who follow a few simple rules. And today, you're about to learn the 3 rules of smart investing for beginners, so you can start building your future with confidence. Whether you're saving for retirement, your first home, or just trying to make your money work harder, investing is one of the most powerful tools for financial freedom. But without a plan, it feels like a maze. These 3 rules will give you a clear path forward. Rule number 1. Start small, but start now. Time is your secret weapon. You don't need thousands of dollars. Even $50 a month can grow massively over time thanks to compounding. By starting today, you're giving your future self a gift. Open an easy low-fee investment account or use a beginner-friendly app and set up automatic transfers. Make it as normal as your Netflix subscription. Rule number 2. Diversify to protect yourself. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's cliché for a reason. Instead of betting on one hot stock, spread your investments with index funds, ETFs, or a healthy mix of assets. Diversification cushions you from market swings, so one mistake doesn't ruin your progress. Rule number 3. Think long-term, not short-term. The market moves like waves, up, down, sideways. Smart investors don't panic when the tide goes out. They stay focused on their destination. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and time rewards patience. Set clear goals. Retirement, a down payment, or your kid's college fund, and match your investments to your timeline. Don't let daily headlines scare you off course. Imagine this. You start investing $100 a month in a diversified index fund at age 25. By 45, you're sitting on a solid financial base. You're not stressed about the markets because you've built a simple system that grows your money quietly in the background. That's the power of consistency. Worried you don't know enough? Everyone starts as a beginner. Stick to low-cost, diversified funds, educate yourself slowly, and give it time. Concerned about losing money? Risk is part of growth, but time and diversification dramatically reduce that risk. If you're ready to start your investing journey, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who's curious about investing, and subscribe for more motivational content that builds wealth and confidence. Smart investing isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent, patient, and strategic. Follow these 3 rules and you're already ahead of most people. Your future self will thank you.